Good day, good day, good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is December 14th. Analysis. It's been a while since I've been doing these. We're just finishing up the new trading script with a new back-end communication working out pretty good. Should hopefully be up and running in the next few days. So I'll be putting up, as usual, the videos. Now also, we are moving all content over to rumble.com, QuantLabs. We also got another synchronized library at odyssey.com as well, just in case if YouTube decides to, I don't know, pull a plug on this channel. So let's go through all the fun stuff. Here's all the current up market. We have S&P, Dow, NASDAQ all up. Close to, well, it looks like NASDAQ's up 80.83. Russell's up 0.9, oil down, gold down, silver is down, some slight ups in the euro, USD, up in the 10-year bond. This one's a surprise. We'll go through this. Is the British pound against the US dollar against the Japanese yen. You can see here Bitcoin's up slightly, the Nikkei up 1/3. So it's up in a mixed way. Okay, let's go back over to our motor wave here with the Forex and CFD view. But just so you know, I'm going to be doing a course. I just posted all the Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram stuff over the next few weeks, probably a few days, few weeks. I'm not sure yet, but it's going to happen, and we're going to use a chat server. Part of that is also going through a free online course via times an hour and a half video in each. So it's an actual real course from UC Davis in California. All right, so let's go through those. Here's our excellent scores. You can see here lots of excellent, but I've mentioned this before, very few assets in the US dollar right now. It is going up in certain markets as I've shown, but right now this is the rest of the world view. So lately, I've not seen a lot of U.S. assets being top picks, but this one is looking pretty good. But it's got a short now on it, so you see all this stuff starts to top out. These are 4-hour charts, topping out Canadian, Japanese yen, but you got a short call, target lower than the current price. That means it's a short call. These are the impressive ones. This is the British pound with the they know that they got to get this thing done. So they've extended it with the Eurozone. Boris Johnson's also put out there that, chances are you're connected. Okay, we are connected back in. Okay, thank you to whoever. So here's the, so you can see here we got the top three here, British, that are doing okay, falls back a little bit. So here we have the USD Mexico peso. It might be starting to, I don't know, you got to keep your eyes out on these things. Here we talked about China, so things might be getting back on track on their economy. So China may start to strengthen. Right. So we have is trending up with some fallback here. I think that's just related around the timing of the Brexit. But I think early next year, the British pound's the one to watch. So we have here two shorts. So maybe not so good long term, but quite interesting how this stock, out of all of them, this index is one of the top ones. I haven't seen any other ones outside of China, but this has got a short, but it's been topping here. As you can tell, British pound against the Singapore dollar. We know about the Singapore dollar, just something that puts you in a range bound. Again, we have the two treasuries here, the 5-year trending up, again, depending upon the U.S. market performance, 10-year. As well, saying the same things. That really makes a difference there. Okay, so USD Hong Kong dollar again. Hong Kong, I would have thought there would be some strength there last time I looked at this on Friday. Doesn't appear to be, but interesting enough, there's two long calls here, so maybe something is happening in Hong Kong. We just don't know about it. Mexico, we got another long here, so this is another interesting one to watch. But saying to watch, it doesn't mean it's going to happen. It really depends on just to see confirmation of things to kind of take off. So here though, as I said, there's two longs, USD Hong Kong, another USD Mexico peso. Let's see here how the natural gas goes. So natural gas looks like it is moving up, which is something I wouldn't have thought, but again, you can see the historical here. But from what I understand, if the winter stays warm, expect this to fall back. But for now, you might be able to make some money there. Wheat. Again, look good there. Look at the big drop back. It's always good to know the reason for these. I can't be bothered yet to know why that is. One day I might wake up and actually do that when I join the Financial Times. Canadian US dollar kind of moving up. Nice safe little bet. But I don't know. But there's a short call here now. British pound against the Canadian dollar, getting a long here. So this might actually play out. Again, it depends on. Got another one on the British pound against the Swiss. So these two are really dependent on the Brexit. Here you have a short though, pound against the yen. So that might one contains. There you go. Nice. That's a nice trend up. That's becoming really predictable since the beginning of December. I do like that. And it's still got a long on it. So I would definitely really strongly consider that. Canadian, Swiss franc, flat. NASDAQ, it's kind of moving up, but it's topping out there on the NASDAQ. UK 100, same thing. So we've now moved into, since the Australian, New Zealand, these are very good. So UK 100, that's got a short on it. Pound against the Canadian dollar again, another long. Pound against the Swiss franc, you can see that drop. Really comes down to what's happening in the negotiation. This one I would think would be a good one. Australia in Australia 200 topping out, but it looks like short call there. Australia, New Zealand, again, I like that. Here we have the Euro 50 topping out, going nowhere, and just ready to drop. I'm going to think. Euro against Denmark, again, going nowhere. Euro against Sweden, going nowhere. Even though these are all longs. Euro against Turkish lira, we got three of those. The number of those is enough to make me go, maybe we should start paying attention to that. Another short here on Hong Kong 33. Hong Kong, Japan, there's a short there. Canadian, Singapore dollar. Surprisingly, there's a little trend here. But it's a tough one to say. New Zealand, Singapore, again, another trend. Slight one. Flattening out. Kind of range bound a little bit. So we got the NASDAQ 100 here. USD, China 1. You would think that this would start to move up. No go. It's been very flat. This is USD and China 1. Here's the USD and the Saudi Rial. Really going nowhere. Another one, USD Thai Baht, going nowhere. US 10-year Treasury, flat. USD Hong Kong, declining, flat. There's a long here on the US Turkish lira, but again, let's see that trend form. USD South Africa Rand, long, but it's just a steady decline since November. We have here corn, two of those, short. Canadian CHF, got another short. Three shorts here for Canadian actually 2 out of 3. Well, we've already seen that, so let me just pull up the British pound against the rand. Let's see here. It looks like, okay, so we have here New Zealand against the franc, flat. Turkish lira against the Japanese yen, flat. A couple more. Rand against the yen, flat. And lastly, no, that's it. That's pretty well it. I'll just say thanks for watching. Oh, I'm sorry. I got some questions here. I see you are using Mint, cool. Hey, Professor B, thank you. Umar. Yeah, so I appreciate that. I usually don't get those comments, but I appreciate get your free PDFs to do this course as a group. I'm not sure when I started, but it's very intense. So if you are interested in that, the crypto is still going to do pretty good. As I said, the trading script, the new trading script is going to be ready in the next few days. I'll be talking about that soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.